Hello everyone, welcome to Code Days. Today we're gonna see how to download and install Dev C++. It's a famous IDE. First you go to Google and search for Dev C++ and the first link sourceforge.net. You're gonna click on that and that page opens and here you can see the big download button. We're gonna click on that and it's gonna automatically download it. I have already downloaded it. This is the file. Right click on that file and run as administrator and it's gonna unpack. And here you have to select the language. I select English and OK, click on I agree, and then you have to click on the next button, click on next, and finally install. And it installed and click on finish. Let's go ahead and open Dev C++. We're gonna have to select the language again. I select English original and next and finally OK. And as you can see, Dev C++ opened. Now we're gonna do an example hello world program. First you go to file and new source file, and we're gonna have to save it first. Click on save as, and I'm naming it test.c. You can name it anything you want, but you have to keep that in mind that the extension has to be .c. Click on save. Okay, this is the hello world program. Now we're gonna have to compile and run this program. Let's go and click on that button, and as you can see there is the output hello world. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I will see you in the next.